Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, UChange, where we believe you can change your technological skill. Let's begin with today's tutorial with how to open a Microsoft Word. Since I'm using Mac, we do have a search option and you can type Microsoft Word and hit it. Or next you can go ahead and click Microsoft Word icon if you have in the bar here. If you're using Windows, you can go similarly in search Microsoft Word and hit enter. If you haven't installed Microsoft Word, please go ahead and install Microsoft Word. This is the home screen. So I can go ahead and click new document where I create the new document, or you can, if you have a recent document that you created already, it would pop up here and you can click it to open the recent documents. So let's begin with a blank document. So you can use Word for your school work, office work, as well as personal work. And I believe this tutorial series will help you with all the required skill in Microsoft Word. Let me maximize the screen for the Word. And let's go with a quick introduction about the menus available in the Microsoft Word. Here you can see the menu tab, which is Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab. These are the menu tabs. And whenever you click a menu tab, you can see the ribbons you can use. So we'll go in detail about all the ribbons and the menu tabs that we can use. So before that, let's start typing in Microsoft Word. So since the cursor is blinking over here, so whenever I type, we'll come to UChange. So instead of writing about something, we can do a dummy paragraph as well. And to initiate a dummy paragraph, you can hit equal lorem bracket open, bracket close, and hit enter. So this will give you a dummy paragraph where we can start with. So this is how we create and edit document as per our need, whatever we need for our school projects or business purposes, so whatever we type. And let's go ahead and save the document. So for saving a document, you can use shortcut command, as well as since we are at the beginning, we will just go ahead and save a document. As you can see here, a picture of a floppy drive. You can just click that option and it will give you a save option. So I'm saving as MS Word 1, and I'll just save this word in the document, but you can go ahead and save on your drive of your preference. So since I'm saving on the desktop, I'm selecting the desktop. And for closing a document, as soon as you save, you can click the cross option over here. Here we can see the document that we saved. So if we want to open a document that we have created already, then in that case, you just have to go to the location of the file that you have created. So as of now, I have created here in the desktop, but let's say I don't remember the location of a document, then in that case, you can just simply go ahead and search for Microsoft Word as we did in the beginning, and you can see here in the recent file as well for the MS Word, and you can select right click on the file, and show in Finder will show the file that you have in a particular location. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video series of Microsoft Word. Keep lopping UChange. Thank you.